What if every character in the Super Mario Bros. Movie was judged not by power, but by their moral compass? In the Mushroom Kingdom, not all heroes wear crowns, and not all villains are purely evil. Mario stands tall as the symbol of courage, always risking everything to protect others. Luigi, though fearful at times, shows loyalty that never breaks under pressure. Princess Peach leads with wisdom and strength, proving leadership is more than just a title. But then there's Bowser, powerful, ambitious, and driven by love twisted into obsession. Even his actions raise the question, is he truly evil or just misunderstood? And in between them all, characters shift between right and wrong, proving morality isn't always black and white. In the world of Mario, every choice tells a story, but not every story is simple.